how to take pictures, how to take videos, and then how to find them after you've taken them. So let's tap on the camera in the bottom right corner. Now I'm going to pick up the phone, but try to hold it at an angle so you can still see what's going on. Okay, so we're on the photo section right now. Tap on the white button to take the picture. Pretty self-explanatory. If I want to take a video, I can tap on the video section or on the video button, and now my white circle changes to a white circle with a red dot in the center. That's how you know you're on video recording mode. You can start recording video, and then you can tap this button to snap pictures while you're recording the video. Tap that button to stop it. Now, let's talk about how do I find my picture once I've taken it. Let's hit the home button. And on Motorola phones, they use Google Photos as the main app for pictures. So you'll want to tap on Photos and hit no thanks here. And now I can look at all the pictures that we just took on the phone here. Okay. Now, one recommendation, if you're not a fan of Google Photos and you want something that's even simpler than this to use for pictures, hit the home button. We're going to go to the Play Store and we're going to tap in the box here and type in Gallery. There is a new Google app called Gallery that is a really great option. Tap Install. Gallery is like Google Photos, it just doesn't back up your pictures. So if you want a cleaner interface to look at for your pictures, we're going to go there, hit the home button, we're going to swipe up and go to our app section and look for the Gallery app, which is here. Tap Allow. And now we can look at our pictures in here, and it's a much cleaner interface for the phone. Hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.